awesome. So good. So just so you know, other than the painting and the racking, when you walk in there, they've done all this since October 26th.
Oh, wow.
October 26th. So I'm so incredibly proud of it.
Yeah.
And a little emotional.
Everybody rallied.
Oh my gosh. So incredible.
Yeah.
And yeah, and you guys have met Nan already, hey?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, she's going to be talking, and then she's our newest partner family.
Yes.
Right? So it's great.
Yes.
Awesome. So, anyway, we're super glad you guys are here. It's been a while.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
I'd sing, but my karaoke is not very strong, so.
Welcome to the newest ReStore. We moved over from Oak Street. My name is Frank Baker. I'm the Director of Retail Operations and Business Development. As I said to some of you in the line already, we managed to keep the rain away from you guys this morning, so that's an added bonus. We couldn't be more thrilled to be here, to open this store. We're very proud of our team. When you walk in, other than the racking and the painting, our team has done all of this since October 26th. It's incredible. They are an incredible team. Some of you know them already. You'll get to meet them on the inside. They're spectacular. We're going to have some people speak this morning. We're going to have Scott Duchek, who is our CEO, speak. We're going to have Fern Schultz, who is our board president, speak. And then we're going to have Nan and her family speak. She's one of our newest partner family, okay? We really appreciate all you guys making the time to come on out and see us this morning. And we can't wait to welcome you inside. So I'm going to hand it over to Scott now. Scott?
Thanks, Frank, and good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today at our 10,000 square foot new ReStore. How's that sound? 10,000 square feet. Is anyone going to do any shopping today? Yeah. Don't forget, we got some awesome gift cards for you for the first 50 who arrive. Thank you for continuing to shop at ReStores. We have some really awesome product. We have some really awesome vintage and collectible furniture. Every year, our ReStore operations divert 2.7 million pounds from Heartland. And so not only are you getting awesome deals on antique furniture, but you're also helping the environment and creating a sustainable community for us all. For those of you who have shopped at our Oak Street ReStore previously, you're going to see tons of familiar faces here. And I'd just like to call out some of those today. Sean Thompson, where's Sean? Sean, our store manager, awesome. And so many other of our ReStore workers here today, you'll see them and remember them from Oak Street. So this team, as Frank said, has done an awesome job getting this done in 3 weeks. Can you imagine moving a store in 3 weeks? I also want to point out the help of our volunteers. Our volunteers are awesome. They do an amazing job. In 2022, our volunteers provided 6,750 hours of volunteer service. Is that not amazing? That's so cool. We'd also like to thank our corporate sponsors for helping us transform this previous industrial space into an awesome new ReStore. Specifically Sherwin-Williams, Andy Gold, Nabit Construction, Emery Electric, Champagne Woodwork, and Colliers. Awesome job. Thank you for your support. You know, if you're looking around today and you don't find exactly what you're looking for, the beauty of our ReStores is our stock is always changing. So come back tomorrow, come back the day after. You're gonna find something you like. As well, don't forget we do have a ReStore on the West Shore in Langford, so you can always check there as well. Remember, every time you make a donation, every time you purchase something from our ReStore, you're helping to build affordable housing in our community. And I'm delighted to say today that we are announcing a new project in Saanich on Feltham Avenue that will hopefully break ground next year. So look for more affordable housing in Saanich. And just on that, I'm incredibly proud and to introduce one of our newest Habitat partner families who just took possession of their new home this year. So I'd like to call out Nen, if Nen can join me.
Good morning, thank you for coming. Just was going to kind of summarize our story in about 2 minutes or less, if I can. We have been renting in Brentwood Bay for about 10 years, my family and I. And then our landlords decided they wanted to move back in, which of course you can imagine in 10 years how much rent went up. We were looking at, sorry, I'll move the mic closer. So we've been renting about 10 years. Our landlords were taking our house back over. So we were looking at sort of 30 to 50% higher cost in rental that if we could even find a place. So we moved in with my parents and squished in there and started to explore the habitat option. Fast forward a few months, we were approved for the home ownership program, and we're absolutely thrilled because it meant that forever we would have affordable housing and we could stay in our community where I work, the kids go to school, our support network is here. Huge. I mean, we couldn't imagine having to leave. The ReStore is a huge part of that. Fraser and I, my son, we've been working here, volunteering. Probably almost 150 hours we've spent at the ReStore in Saanich, and absolutely love it. The staff here is so welcoming. The employees, the volunteers have welcomed us with open arms. We have loved every minute of it. We look forward to our shifts every week. We shop here on our shifts frequently as well. Just know that every dollar that's spent here, every donation that is made is helping families like ours stay in our community. Same as the 9 other families in our complex. Some of them are here today as well. And this has made an amazing, transforming difference in our lives. So thank you.
Thanks, Jen. And folks, I'd be remiss not to again call out the tremendous effort of Frank Baker, our Director of ReStore Operations. Frank, you've been working 24 hours a day, seems like, for the past 3 weeks. And I know that we've looked at many, many different sites for our relocation, and your work ethic has been such an inspiration for your team, for everyone who works with you. So amazing job, Frank. Keep up the amazing work. So now I'd like to call our board chair, Fern, and our store manager, Sean, for the ribbon cutting. We're going to do a countdown, folks. Who wants to lead us?
Yeah, okay. 3,
2,
1.
Woo! ReStore!
Welcome in, everybody! Hey, Fern, you got your basket?
Wrap my basket.
All right, everybody, I am very proud to announce we are open for business. Oh, the confetti. Eco-friendly confetti. Eco-friendly confetti. Oh, thanks. Yeah, sure.
Watch your step. Watch your step.
being here. Welcome. Thanks for coming. Happy shopping.
Watch your step.
Welcome. They said I
Watch your step.
have more cards than people. I don't think so. Welcome. Thanks for being here. There we go. Welcome. Happy shopping. Hi.
Poppy seed grinder. That's a meat grinder.
Yeah, this is like why, because all of us is right. So we're like,
deal? Good deal?
Yeah.
$15 is a pretty good deal.
And I get 10% off.
Oh, nice.
It's like the windows, like
Yeah.
if there's like this is perfect.
Looking out your kitchen window.
Yeah, this is good. Good job, you guys.
I'm Scott Duchek. I'm the CEO of Habitat for Humanity in Victoria. Habitat for Humanity is focused on building affordable homes for people to own who are want to stay in their communities, want the security that home ownership gives. So we're a charity focused on building affordable home ownership homes. There's a number of different ways that people can help become involved with Habitat for Humanity. They can volunteer at one of our ReStores that raise funds to help us build more affordable houses, or if they're interested in becoming a partner family and actually participating in our home ownership program, they can go to our website habitatvictoria.com and fill out the application form. Habitat for Humanity Victoria does have two ReStores. We operate one on the West Shore on Orono Avenue in Langford, and then this new one, our brand new one in Saanich at 721 Van Almen Avenue. Both ReStores have varying product, and part of the joy of shopping at a ReStore is finding that amazing antique piece of furniture that you won't find anywhere else. Both ReStores accept donations. Come by during the opening hours of the stores, and we gladly receive them. And occasionally we'll give out gift cards as well. So if there's a good piece of furniture that you think is gently used enough, and you'd like to donate them to our ReStores, please come on by. We'd be delighted to see those. And again, any profits made from reselling that go to build affordable housing in our community. So Habitat for Humanity was started in the United States. The first Habitat for Humanity home in Canada was actually built in Winnipeg, Manitoba. And we have been around for over 35 years and actually work in many places across the world because we believe housing is a human right, and we're focused on delivering that affordable housing. Across Canada, there's actually 46 affiliate Habitat for Humanities, all the way from Newfoundland out here to the west coast on Vancouver Island. Those 46 affiliate stores house over 300 people a year, and we want to continue that building, especially here in Victoria, in the Greater Victoria area. So in addition to finding amazing antique furniture at your ReStores, you'll also be glad to know that from a sustainability point of view, ReStores divert 2.7 million pounds of waste that would have gone to landfills. So not only are you getting a great deal on amazing antique furniture, you're actually helping the environment.
It's $65. I wonder if oh, that's really good for a record.
Yes.
Am I reading that right?
Choose families. I guess that does appeal to me. I've talked to a few different people who said, "Oh, we got housing through that." What's the process there?
Well, there's a rigorous process. There's an application, and then there's an interview process. There's certain guidelines that families have to meet, and they go through a process, and then they're put to the boards as families, and there's a selection made. And one of the most incredible things in the world is calling those families and telling them they have a forever home.
Right. Can you tell me a little bit about what the significance of this operation is versus the one on Oak Street or out in Langford?
Well,
Big deal, right?
well, the ReStore is a big deal, and you know, our store in Arona does incredible work as well. We had to move our store from Oak Street to here, so that's why the grand opening, the new space. It was incredibly tough to find a space for us to operate in, and we feel very fortunate to have found our new home here at 721 Penalman.
How did you get this place?
A lot of looking, a lot of looking. We worked with Colliers and Anna Ray, who was tireless in their search to help us find our unicorn of a location.
Okay. And I guess it's thriving as an operation in Habitat. It's growing, it seems to me.
Well, we're very lucky. I think people understand what we do with families. I think they understand what we do from diversion, and I think the products that we sell in our environment help meet their budget now too. With inflation and cost of living, people have to do more with less, and that's what we're trying to help them do.
Okay, good. Any other thoughts, Frank?
Yeah, just overwhelmed with the support of the community this morning, and their support every day, but seeing everybody in line, having the nice day, the weather, made for a special morning for everybody. Hello, puppy dog. Hello, hello. I've heard about
Smiling
you.
dog.
I've heard about you. My goodness.
My name is Sean Thompson. I'm the store manager here at the Van Almen ReStore. I've been manager here for 2.5 years, and I've been with Habitat for 3 years. Not only was it in line with my values as an individual, but it was also in line with my skill set, which is working with home decor and furniture and antiques and things like that. So when I saw the job opportunity, I jumped at it and came in and found a bunch of like-minded folks, and through that I've met friends for life, and it's been incredible so far. I also know how difficult it is. You know, my partner and I own an apartment, and it's incredibly expensive. So we're very keenly aware of the housing crisis, and to be on the front lines of the housing crisis and of the environmental aspects of things is pretty important. Flowers and Timbits?
Well, that's not all for you, though.
Oh, okay.
Neither of them are.
Well, I have someone here I want you to meet.
Flowers are for you, Timbits are for us.
Thanks.
Flowers, too.
Hey, give me my flowers.
$1.
Do you have any cash? You can put some in.
I don't have like a $5.
I want some.
Otherwise, it's below the heart. Yeah. So
There's
but instead of our money, I don't want to.